What's up, ghoulies? It is just me this week. Caroline's out of town, which means this video is gonna be all about me. Just kidding. I'm actually going to make Caroline a Taylor Swift dress. I feel like as somebody who's not really a Swiftie, I said it on the internet. I feel like around my Swiftie friends, I can seem like a little bit unsupportive. Me and her have been really into making lino cut prints lately, so I'm gonna be using like little blocks to make the images for the dress out of. Did I say that right? I'm going to make images for the dress on lino cut blocks. Asked her best friend what some songs she likes are, so I can like dig through the lyrics and find little things I can draw to print on the dress, because I don't really know Taylor Swift songs. Let's do a little digging, make a little list, and make a little dress. Okay, so I'm gonna start with one I already think is promising because it's called Ivy, and that's already something I can draw. How's one to know? I'd meet you where the spirit meets the bone. These are not what I remember the lyrics being like on 1989. My pain fits in the palm of your freezing hand. No. My house of stone, your ivy grows. Ivy. Got it. Clover blooms. Clover. Ivy, clover. Got it. Ivy, clover. Crescent moon. Crescent moon. Coast is clear. Crescent moon. On to the next song. It's Right Where You Left Me. I don't know these songs. Matches burn. I already have match. I already have one made. I actually made that with Caroline. All right, let's go. Feeling good about this. I hope I'm still at the restaurant, still sitting in a corner I haunt. Ooh, haunt. Cross-legged in the dim light, they say, what a sad sight. I like that, what a sad sight. We're gonna write that down. I also like that it follows the word haunt because it's kind of me and Caroline's thing. I think I've got some things to work with. So I finished drawing and now I just have to carve them, but we've got little raindrops, ivy, a clover, a moon, and a hand. That frozen, icy hands, freezing hands. I did work it in. I hit a couple speed bumps last night. First of all, I really hurt my finger. Now I look like E.T. I finished all of the blocks, only to realize that the one that took me the longest, 2 hours, I carved the wrong way. I have to carve this one again. and I think she came out kind of cute. I didn't want to show too much of the process because Caroline has no idea I've been making this video or making this dress, so. Is it perfect? No, not at all. But I don't think Caroline would want it to be. Here it is. It says, "What a sad sight," with the little droplets. I feel like an artistic genius for this. They start on the front and they wrap around to the back. And that is the back. Kept it simple there. And then the matches on the bottom, that's my favorite. I would have tried it on, but I don't think it's done drying. And I don't think it will be for a while. Here it is. I really liked making this. It was fun. I learned a lot. Things I would do a little bit differently. A lot of things that I would do differently. And I made this and will be editing this video in 3 days. I give it a 10 out of 10 for thoughtful. I give it a 4 out of 10 for execution. 10 out of 10 for friendship. An injured finger, multiple runs to the craft store, messing up a block that took me 2 hours to make, and we've made it here. Hope you had fun at Taylor Swift, Caroline. Bye!